Welcome all of you sauce and gravy lovers out there. Thank you for being a part of the sauce and gravy community. Buckle up, in this episode I'm going to show you how to make a Dijon mustard compound butter. You can make this with any mustard you like, but I'm going to use Dijon for this specific recipe. You'll also need 1 stick or roughly about 113 grams of unsalted butter. And it needs to be really soft in order to whip it and incorporate all of the ingredients. So that doesn't mean throwing it into the microwave and melting the butter. You don't want melted butter, you just want it to be really soft. You'll need a nice size mixing bowl, one with high sides. Chop up that butter and put it in. And I had somebody make a comment one time saying, and what mixing bowl is not high sided? Well, a small mixing bowl with small sides. Now your next step is to use a spatula or a spoon to smash that butter, make it soft and pliable. That way whenever you throw the rest of the ingredients in, it'll mix really well. And now that the tough part's over, and really the toughest part of this whole process is waiting for that butter to soften. Everything else is pretty easy, but add 1.5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, that's about 22 grams. And for the final ingredient, a pinch of white pepper. Grab that spatula and shall we mix? And really the best way to go about this is to use that spatula, smash everything together, give it a turn, smash it again until everything's well incorporated. So there you go. Now you have one big ball of softened Dijon mustard butter. Now what are you gonna do with it? You could just lather it on some bread right now and just knock it out. It's really tempting, right? Or you could put it in the fridge or the freezer and save it for later. An easy way to do that is to dollop it onto some plastic wrap. And you'll find this is a super easy, clean way to do it. There's no mess involved. Take that cellophane wrap, flip it over the top of the compound butter, and then shape the butter to as thick or as thin as you like. Roll it up into a nice package, grab the sides, twist them up a little bit, grab the sides, and then kind of roll it across the workspace. This will make a nice, tight, packed compound butter cylinder. Fold the sides in. If they're long enough, you can tie them together, but now you're ready to pop it into the fridge to let it harden up. After an hour, it's ready to go. You can bring it out, unwrap it, cut it up, throw it on a steak, put it on baked potatoes, throw it in some pasta, you name it. And 1 stick of butter, it's the perfect family size. You can knock this out typically within a week. Hey, and if you wanted to freeze this, you can. You could put it into a sealed container, put it into the freezer for several months. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this recipe on how to make a mustard compound butter. And be sure to hit that like button, and if you're not part of the sauce and gravy community just quite yet, smash that subscribe button to learn more sauce and gravy making tips and techniques.